Hey guys, I am back with the game. Igujo, that's my cat. Okay, so let's get back. You can start it up. I'm gonna get some ammo.
Enemy forces inbound. Get ready.
Okay, Igujo, get down. Get down, get down. Okay, let's see here. You guys here to like tell or meow like that. Igujo, get off. Okay, okay, so right now I am going to defeat them. Yes, them. Oh my god! I just fell 2 times with a knife. Ugh! Makes me so mad. Just gonna mess around with him. Okay. Okay. Let's get back here and get some more ammo. And I also need to get some more stuns. So, I forgot which wave. I think it's the next wave where there's going to be some more helicopters. So, I'm just going to run back up here and get some predators. Let's see here. It will all be worth it. Wait, so I was right. Oh. Okay. So, I'm able to go. Wait, is there a jug or something? Oh, yeah. Okay, so there's some more jug. Well, they have riot shields, so they're not that effective. Just gotta watch out for them. Okay, so that was a joke, so just studying a little bit. So, I think I'm gonna actually use my predator on these guys. So, I gotta get as far as away from them, because I am gonna be using my predator on them. How weak am I? Well, actually, I don't know if that will even kill them. So, let's hurry up and launch this. Oh, I missed! Ah, what a waste. So, guess I'm just gonna have to take them on my own. Oh, no! Okay, buy some more stuns and some grenades. Okay, so I'm just gonna rush back over here and get some more predators on here. Let's see. So we can't afford it. Just need like. Oh, okay. So I need to run for my life because I am almost out of ammo. So I gotta buy ammo for both once again. But I still got this, so I might as well reload it. But I am gonna get some ammo. So there's no point. I don't even know why I'm saying this. So it's this. Okay. So stun this to slow him down as I get my stuns and grenades. I'll have enough time, obviously. I don't know why I'm talking like this. I should have brought the stuns first. so these just don't do it, or what? So, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to. I need to use my ammo wisely. So right now I'm just gonna try blowing up this. Oh god, come on. Watch this kill me. It's gonna kill me probably. Oh, I didn't get. So right now, I guess all I'm gonna do is just use this. Come on. So I'm pretty much screwed once again, because the dude with the gun is pretty effective. So I don't know what he's shooting at. I wish you at least got like $50 per shot, you know, because okay. So it's gonna be a really long while. So I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna actually have to destroy with one of them with a gun, because once you know what, I'm actually gonna take care of the other dude right now, because I am just I'm pretty much dead. I'm dead. Okay. Let's see here. I don't want two full goats in that, so I'm gonna first destroy this one. Oh, destroyed him. Oh, hey man, hey, look at me. Correct. These guys are actually really good. I don't know if he still has full health or not. Okay, so let's buy some more ammo and some stuns. First ammo, because this is the main ingredient. Okay, so I do not have enough money for why won't you die? Okay. It's an extremely long. Okay. So let's buy some more stuns and grenades. I love me ammo. I think my python's up here somewhere.
Be advised, enemy forces are moving chemical elements near your position.
Okay, so I just gotta stay away from these guys. Not that hard. Oh! He should be dead while he's carrying that. I don't know why. So I am gonna try getting some ammo. Actually, I am going to get ammo because I'll have enough time. So they shouldn't be able to jump down there. It's so unrealistic. Okay. So back on track, getting some ammo, gonna defeat them. I know I'm gonna, because I am awesome. So gonna get that. Wait, that was very stupid. I am gonna get my python. Or not python, 44. Oh, I wanna stay away from that. Okay. Woo! Okay. I'm gonna get some more ammo, because I'm gonna run through that pretty quick. So I'm on wave 13. So, let's see here. One sec, Cujo. We are 10 minutes. Hey, buddy. Okay. So, right after this round, I'm gonna pause it. I'll make another video. Okay. Oh god, oh god. Let's see. So, this is gonna be a lot more challenging than any other. You know what? I'm gonna be honest. I haven't been this far on here, actually. It's actually my highest wave. So, let's see how far I can get on this. Let's run. Okay, so I'm getting hurt pretty bad. Okay, I'm just gonna try running for ammo. Oh, this is gonna go back at me. This is gonna go back at me. Okay. So I'm gonna be able to get some more ammo. Sorry guys for not talking much. I really don't even think you guys even care about I'm not talking. So, but since I'm gonna be talking and actually be using some strategies too, I'll be talking about them right now. Okay. So if you guys really want to camp and there's air support, this is actually a pretty good place. But if there's attack dodge, well, if there's anything with explosives, try not to get trapped in a corner. Okay. Let's see. Oh, so let's see. Okay. So wave 14. Okay, I'm gonna do another video. I'll stop this one right now. So, one sec. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the third video. So, later.